Welcome back to the channel, Cruising for ADV. Come along as my son and I canoe down the west branch of the Brandywine Creek. This video will highlight everything you need to know, from renting a canoe or kayak, the travel route we like to take down the creek, some of our favorite honey holes we like to fish, and the gear you will need to be successful on this trip. See why this is one of our favorite trips we like to take each year, and surprisingly, how cheap it is to do this trip on your own. Target species, smallmouth. But as you will see, this is truly a multi-species event. It's not uncommon to catch 50 plus fish in one day. This day was exceptional, as we caught well over 100, breaking our record from the prior year.
Did you catch any fish?
Yeah.
What did you catch?
Smallmouth bass.
Ooh, that's who caught it?
Both of us. Yeah. You guys fish this a lot?
Let's start this video in reverse. It's the end of the day, and we're at our final stop, the same place we started at, Northbrook Canoe Company, located in Chadford, PA. This operation specializes in canoe, kayak, tubing rentals along the west branch of the Brandywine Creek. Here you can rent a canoe or kayak, and they have various locations they could take you to, so you could just drop in and float back down to camp. Price for the rental was $85 plus a $20 deposit. The earliest you can start is 9 a.m. and last checkout 6 p.m.
Hello.
How you doing? Just checking out.
Yeah,
Last name's Cruz, C-R-U-Z.
Okay, what was your trip number?
1.
There's that. Thank you.
Thanks a
Have
lot.
Nice one.
Our trip started in Mortonville, 7 miles upriver from camp. If you float straight through without stopping, it's about a 3.5 hour trip. For us, we'll have plenty of stops along the way, so this ended up being about a 9-hour trip. Here we're stopped at one of our favorite honey holes, Harvey's Bridge. Every time we fish here, it's hard to leave, as this spot holds a good amount of smallmouth. We have many stacked up videos from this location.
What was that? Something fell or something. Water feels good. A little chilly. Alright, let's give this one a try. Just a 1/8 ounce jig head with a power bait, Berkeley power bait minnow, about a 3-inch. Let's see this. You got one already? Dude, you're on fire. First one of the day. What is it? Nice fall fish. Oh, there you go, buddy. Let's see if I could get my first smallmouth. Definitely smaller. Ooh, they're close. What's this? Smallmouth. First one of the day. Let's go. Is there people up there? First smallmouth of the day. Little nice guy. That's beautiful. Look at that thing. Thank you, buddy. What'd you get? Oh, got something. I was wondering why there was rocks falling. There's people up there. Yeah. Dude, they're close. They're right here. Did you see that? They're like right here. Right about here. Dang. And these short strikes. Dude, they're like hammering it, but they're not taking it. I just gotta let it slow it down a little. These guys are small. Ah, right there. Look at that song. There's gotta be big ones in here. Let's move up. I saw that. That was amazing. Or fall fish. Get you back. You can see all the bait fish right here. It's a good spot. I'm getting hammered right here. They're stacked up right here. Right there, yeah. Oh, they're right here. Oh my gosh. Dude, there's a ton of them. I can see them right here. Yeah, this one's a nice one. Fall fish. Beautiful. I can't hold these fish, right? Gobbled it. Come here, you can see them. Whoa. Dang it, dude. That was a nice one. Can't believe it's raining. It's not supposed to rain. Ooh. We got here. Oh, smallmouth. Got all this rain. Gotta love these little smallmouth, man. I don't care. go. Whoa, new species. Sunfish. Oh, I saw that. That was awesome. New species again. That's not new species. The chunker. Hey, that boy. I saw that guy hit that. There's these smallmouth at. It's just catching sunfish. Aha! Dang, boy. Don't lose it. Keep pressure. Yeah, on the ultralight, yeah. Beautiful. Dang. Beautiful. Dude, it hit hard. Okay. Finally, you found them. See all the spots we're used to? They move. They move around. Yeah. Want to switch it up? Different bait? Yeah, switch a different bait. Double. First double for the day. Let's see what we got.
Rock bass and a small.
How could you tell that was a rock bass so far away?
I don't really gotta tell by looks, I can tell by fight. Can't fight for nothing.
Nice smallmouth, biggest one for me for the day. Hopefully they get bigger. See that? 1/8 ounce jig. Oh my gosh, 1/8 ounce jig head. 3-inch minnow. Yeah, boy, let's go. Let's get you back. Just light taps. Nothing aggressive. Ready? Oh, dang. What'd you get? Smallmouth. Alright, let's head down.
Here we're at our next stop. It's about a 1/4 mile down from Harvey's Bridge. It's going to be easy to tell where you're at. Just look for the road retaining wall on the right hand side.
Dude. Let's pick a good hole. Oh yeah.
What? What the hell? I'm slamming in my leg.
I saw a bite. Same spot. Just let him eat it for a second. Nice little sunfish. Get you back.
Dude, that was crazy. Come look at it. In the boat.
Just hiding under there. There's some more under there. Let's try a little bit. Just start jigging it. Sweet.
I thought another one was coming, but it's the same one.
Wait. It's weird how we're going upstream.
There's a nice one gone.
There's one right here. See it?
What?
There's two right here. Got one.
Oh, there's another one, right? Can I try to get the other one? The other one. Oh, right here. He's too big. Look, he's
Oh yeah. Is that a carp?
Yeah, it is. What do you think? It's like the world record bass? Why are we going up?
It's weird, isn't it? The current's going.
Well, the wind's pushing this way.
He came back for it. Oh, I lost it. It's a big one. He came back for it. Okay. Got him. Cow.
Oh, that's a nice size.
Nice smallmouth, yeah. 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 Dude, this one came at it. I'm not sure if this is the same one.
No, I've been riding fishing.
Yeah.
My brother's rod.
I'm not sure if that was the same one, but it came. The first one got off, but it chased it. Caught it again. I got off, and then I just caught another one. Solid, ate that. What we got? Rock bass. Beautiful. Get you back. What we got here? Sunfish. Sweet. Almost
Come out.
there.
Oh, that's really good. Look at these bait fish. Oh my god, there's something chasing it. Look, 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 look. Look, it's swimming.
Yeah.
I'm catching him next. Watch. Watch him. Watch him.
I think we did that last time. Yeah, they're just picking it up. Good tip, good tip. Sometimes they just don't want to see if like a bait fish is like struggling. Oh,
Really nice.
oh, we had a double.
Oh,
Good one. It's pulling. Oh, that is a nice one. Keep pressure on it. They've been popping out. Okay. Sweet. That's the big, yeah, that's the nicest one of the day. That's a good one. Good job, bud. See that. On the Ned rig. Going a little chunky, getting the bigger ones.
it'll come out.
Pop it. Good hook set.
Listen. Dude, this thing up here is poking it.
Yeah, his lips all ripped up. What's that? Just hold that fish.
a nice smallmouth.
Yeah, it is. For here, beautiful. Just letting it pick them up. Drifting it through. What do we got? Rock bass. Go. Tearing this bait up. Pretty soon I ain't gonna have anything. Right here. Got him. Sweet. Double. Nice. Sweet. Double up. Sweet. Is that a creek chub? Stacked up. Bluegill. Double up again. Just letting it roll right through there. Okay, we found some. Sweet.
Jump in right here.
Oh. Oh,
Pick me up over there.
small sky. Yeah. It's a nice one too, yeah. Nice size one. Dang. It's packed up. Hold that.